Hi, this is Kia Buckets with another unboxing video from ArcherBids.com. Anyhow, I got a package in the mail today, and we'll see what she is. Diverter. Tech TV stickers and red cloth rotor. Cool. Looks nice, and that's a rotor, so it's perfect. Anyhow, closing date for this auction was January 11th, and shipping date was January 11th as well. And it was for a die rotor loader, red cloth, and the final bid price was $3.68. Not too bad. Thank you very much, Mark, for bids. Anyhow, Kia Buckets out.